Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how to make online money with Zazzle. No camera needed, and no website needed. Let's go to learn. We create new designs for the website. Website sell the products for buyers. If someone buy our designs, the website pay money us. No investments needed. You don't have to have website to start selling. You don't need to have any of these products yourself. Because Zazzle will store that for you. They will print those designs for you. They will ship them to the customer and they will handle customer. Only job is to create simple and free designs like I will show you in video. You can get free traffic for your designs in Zazzle. This is Zazzle.com. Link in the description. People come to buy different products that have been designed by everyday people like me and you. So everyday people can come over to here to upload their own designs. And no, don't worry, you don't need any of these design skills to actually do this because we will not be using any of those complicated softwares like Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. Rather than that, I will show you where to get those designs done for absolutely free and with minimum effort. So, this can all take you less than 20 minutes to make it profitable. Now, we are going to register. Follow these steps. I am using Gmail account to create Zazzle account. You can use Facebook too. Now, registration is okay. Let's go to the account. Fill your details, name, gender, birthday, etc. After that, submit the form, and let's go to create a design. Now the good thing about Zazzle is that you just need to upload one single design and they will immediately paste it on different products like mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, masks and much more. You can select all of these different products which you can design. You can design everything from clothing and shoes including t-shirts, socks and a lot more. You can also design home and accessories. You can design invitations and stationery art and wall decor much more. I select a simple blank bag. Just to show you how this actually works. You can see the preview. Like this. I am doing simple design for you. You can find more items to add for your designs. You can choose fonts, font size, and colors, etc. There are many products. You can try the design with any products and publish them. Let's go to main page. I will show you the payment methods, earning page, etc. You can see all designs created by you. There is an earning page. You can see your earnings. Let's go to check payment methods. Okay, you can use PayPal or check to withdraw your money. Now, ended the main part. But, not the end video. Now I'm going to show you tips to sell your designs. Share your products on our Facebook pages and groups.